Hello everyone. In this short video, I shall tell you how to write the sample characteristics or demographic profile in case of a primary study. I shall discuss the difference between a primary study and a secondary study in my next video. But mainly the difference between a primary study and a secondary study is that a primary study is where you collect your data on your own, whereas in case of a secondary study, a study is one where you do not collect data on your own. The data is already available, say on a website or on a government with the government authorities. Mainly it is accessible from the internet or from Google. It is available, so it is there in one form or another on a website, say a government website or a private company website. So that is secondary data. So I will be discussing the difference between primary data and secondary data in detail in my next video. But before that, don't forget to share, like and subscribe to videos for more videos. So for the primary study, the sample characteristics can be written in this form. For example, if I've collected data from say 100 respondents, so it is very good. It is a very good idea to present your data always in tabular form. I always give this suggestion because table form always helps you to know about the data at a glance. So that is a very good way of presenting the data. Besides giving this table, for example, I've collected the demographic profile of the respondents for a particular study, and I've collected the data from 100 respondents. I could also have written the percentage, but the data is from 100 respondents only. Therefore, there was no need to write the percentage because it is 47%, 53% in this case, because it is already out of 100. So giving this table, and besides giving this table, you should also give this in written form. So you can give the data both in tabular form as well as the details in a paragraph form before or after the table. So this is a way you can portray your sample characteristics. So in this case, the gender, male, female, showing that the respondents of the study were 47 male and 53 females. Then I bifurcated the data into the age groups, that is 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60 and 60 above. And again, I've given this in tabular form, same as for the marital status, educational level, occupation, monthly income. So these are basically the important categories in which you bifurcate your demographic profile in case of primary data. And then you can give a paragraph as I've given that as per the demographic profile, the sample constituted a variety of economic and professional backgrounds. There were a majority of females, that is 53% were female and 47% were male. As far as the educational background is concerned, 46% were postgraduates and followed by 33% graduates. As far as the respondents' occupation is concerned, 46% were from the service category, 29% were students, 10% were professional, 9% were businessmen, and 6% of the ladies that constituted the sample were housewives. Then we can give the income categorization. 51% had the monthly income of 20,000. Then 28% of them had the income of 20 to 30,000. 16% belonged to the income category of 30 to 40, while 5% belonged to the income category of 40,000. So these are the basic say the parameters or the basic things that need to be included in your demographic profile, that is gender, age, marital status, educational level, occupation and monthly income. And these things, these parameters or the demographic variables, they vary from study to study. If your study requires more of demographic profile or more of demographic variables, you can add on according to the need of the study. So in my next video, I'll be discussing the difference between the primary study and a secondary study. I'll also be discussing the database and research methodology for a primary study as well as a secondary study. So keep on watching, like and subscribe and share these videos for more and more videos. Thanks for now. Thanks for watching.